Hello, 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 hello. After a long time, is it? Yeah. Well, it was raining in Goa, so couldn't get the bike out much. So, no vlogging for a while. I was just sitting at home watching TV. Watched almost every series. And every YouTube video I'm subscribed to, so I watched everything. So I would suggest, if you subscribe to me, do watch my videos sometimes. Just keep them playing in the background, you know. This is like a cheat code. Just keep it playing, put it on mute, I don't mind if you don't want to listen to my annoying voice. But yeah, that's a small cheat code, I could say. So like the train just arrived, and then people don't have sense to where to stand. It's a goddamn road. These days I'm seeing a lot of cows on the road. I do not know why. Like, really a lot of cows. Thing is, they're stubborn, they don't move. They just don't move from the road, so it's become a nuisance right now. If you all know whom should I tag, please let me know. Like, should I tag traffic police or PWDs? I don't know, but just let me know whom should I tag for this kind of issues, because there's a lot of cattle right now. It's obviously stray cattle, but a lot, so it's a problem that needs to be acknowledged. I know nobody will give a shit about it, and unless somebody dies. So today I'm off to some shopping. I'm going to buy some things. Plan to make something tomorrow. They're basically this rice paper spring roll thingies. So I'm planning to make them tomorrow, so I thought I'll get some things. Get some things today and prep for tomorrow. Things I need, I can't find them in a market like readily. It's not like cabbage, cauliflower stuff. I need lemongrass, I need peanut butter. Peanut butter I can find anywhere now, but is that I need lemongrass and stuff. So I'm making like I said, it's rice paper rolls, so it's mostly Vietnamese, Asian fusion type, with twist of, I won't give any Indian twist to it. I'll try to keep it as authentic as I can. So I need some hoisin oyster sauces, which again I cannot find them readily in any supermarkets here in Goa. I don't know if you can, but I haven't seen them. Tell anyone the shortcuts. Says the guy who's going to put this video on YouTube, the whole internet to see. I mean, yeah, only 2-3 people watch my videos, but it is what it is, yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I need those things. So I'm planning to head off to Delfino's. Now see, I am a bit again skeptical about this. I don't know if Delfino's will have everything I need. And plus, I know if I go to Delfinos, I will get distracted by a lot of things, and then I'll be on a shopping spree. Boing! Something hit my visor, so that was the boink. That's why you should close your visors. Do not keep them open. That thing, I'm at 50 kilometers an hour. Something hits me in the eye, even a small thing as a fly. It's gonna disrupt my riding. Well, my vacation is about to end. I will have like 8 days more, a week probably. Then I have to say bye bye to this life for another 5-6 months, maybe more. That's the worst part about working on the ship, isn't it? 2017 and my second contract time. We would wish we could take our bikes on board, you know, and then whenever we get time to go out, just don the riding jacket, wear a helmet, and off we go. It would be really nice to do that. We were dumb as fuck that time. I still am, but not as much as that. That was life hitting me. Nah, man, it really feels bad going back into the rat race. Just to earn some piece of paper that is valued for exchange. Feels bad. Wow, good spot to park. And somehow I miss these kinds of idiots also, because you don't find them abroad. So you find them very rarely. And those are next level dumb as well. That's the thing about abroad. Things like UK, US, even Europe, you'll see everyone following traffic rules. If you're on a crosswalk, people will actually wait, no matter their speed. They will brake for you, they will like stop for you to cross. But then the dumb ones, they are so dumb that they will like literally kill you and like drive over you, and they won't give a shit. But in India you will find dumb people everywhere. The guys who will overtake you, like, you know, when you're doing 70 and all, they will beep 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 overtake you, and then they will take a fucking left. Riding in India is no less of a mental stress. It is hectic. I'm on the wrong fucking road again. Why do I always forget this road sucks? This is where my road tax for the bike went. I'm gonna stay behind here only, because the more you zigzag in traffic, the more it slows down traffic. I don't think people understand that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's why, guys, get an adventure bike. See, the more you zigzag, now the car behind has to slow down. The car behind has to slow down more, and so forth. Stay in one lane, guys. One lane. That's all we ask people. Bikes as well. Stay in one lane. Fucking hell, man. My tires are not getting traction as well. There's all this mud on the road. Last time I nearly slipped and died here. Like, nearly. Oh my goodness. I rode the edge of the pothole there. It was like tightrope walking with my bike. And guys, officially we have scrambled eggs. I mean it. My bloodline is getting destroyed here. Bro, you can... Fucking hell, if it's not locked, he will open the door. Don't think of it. One slip and you're under the tire of the bus. One fucking slip and you're under the tire of the bus. Imagine that. What the fuck is this? Bro, you got built stunt ramps also? I think I will do trips around India and stuff. Bro, I come to Porvorim 5 times in a day. I think that's enough of going to like Ladakh. It's the same thing. Even though not distance wise, it is goddamn tiring, man. There you go. So I have it's 105 rupees for two. No wonder this should be expensive, man. So we have Romaine. I don't want to use Romaine. I wanted to use some more. These things might spoil by the time I take them, but it's okay. We have bok choy. I could put bok choy in it. It's 51 bucks for one fucking bok choy. I never knew these things were so expensive here. I think I'm going for is more of a pliable lettuce, which is not here. The pliable one I see is certain fucking green lettuce. 73 rupees for two. I think I can work with this. I think I. Mission not so successful. I thought he was Punjabi. So the bill came out to freaking 2K, man. Fucking hell. Did not expect it to be too much. I expected it to be like 1215. So yeah, it is like 800 rupees above. But yeah, I did get things like they are non-perishable items like sauces and dry products. So yeah. So like they'll stay good for long. It's not like I will use it and throw it tomorrow. I'm gonna say goodbye for now. See you guys. See you when the rice paper rolls are done. Ciao ciao. Bye bye. Keep your line, keep your line, keep your line, keep your line, keep your line. GG's, man, GG's. Now I gotta go out of my line for some.